Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Gadgets Insider. In this video, we will show you the best handheld sewing machines in 2024 for quick stitching and sewing. So let's get started. Step right up to the sewing revolution with the Aovly handheld sewing machine. This pint-sized wonder isn't just a sewing machine, it's a stitch in time that saves 9 and then some. With more power than a determined kitten and less noise than a ninja in slippers, this gadget is your ticket to stitching success. Whether you're hemming, patching, or crafting, this little gem will have you sewing like a pro in no time. Get ready to thread your way to DIY glory with this sewing sensation. Introducing the YGMN Stitchy Quick Clothing Fixer Quick Stitch Sewing Gun. This magical handheld marvel makes sewing a breeze, turning you into a DIY hero in a stitch. From busted buttons to pesky tears, this fixer-upper revives your wardrobe in a flash. Lightweight and portable, it's your trusty sidekick for on-the-go repairs. Seamstress or sewing newbie, this versatile tool handles delicate silks and tough denims with finesse. Say ta-ta to button sewing woes, the quick clothing repairer has you covered, stitch by stitch. Behold this handheld sewing machine for beginners, your ticket to stitching supremacy. With more power modes than a squirrel on caffeine, this gadget is a powerhouse of versatility. Need to sew on the go? Grab your AA batteries and stitch like a pro. At home? USB power's got your back. This mini marvel is so compact, it's practically pocket-sized, perfect for sewing emergencies or impromptu fashion fixes. Say goodbye to sewing fiascos and hello to your new sewing bestie. Get ready to sew up a storm with the YSSPPOY upgraded handheld sewing machine. This sewing dynamo is more versatile than a chameleon at a rainbow convention. With power modes that rival a superhero's toolkit, you can stitch on the go or plug in for some serious sewing action. Say goodbye to wonky seams and hello to precision stitching. It's so compact you could practically sew your way out of any fashion emergency, all while saving the planet, one stitch at a time. Step right up to the sewing circus with the WASAIQI battery-operated mini sewing machine. This pint-sized wonder packs more punch than a sewing kangaroo on caffeine. Perfect for on-the-go stitching shenanigans, it's the ultimate sidekick for DIY divas and crafting connoisseurs alike. With power options more flexible than a gymnast, this machine will have you stitching up a storm in no time. Say farewell to fashion fiascos and hello to seamless sewing adventures, your threads will thank you. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.